Welcome to the class. Since we are discussing your English grammar book, Impact, and we are learning about pronouns. This is your second chapter from the book. Since we have discussed about the definition of pronoun, and we have started in last class the part of the kind of the, and the type of the noun, pronouns. Clear? And we have already discussed about the first kind of the pronouns, that was personal pronoun. Let's come to the second kind. This is your emphatic pronouns. So let's see what are emphatic pronouns. To lay emphasis on nouns. Yes, to lay emphasis on nouns, we use some personal pronouns. How will we make? With self or selves. Self will be added to singular and self will be plural. Clear? Without them, a sentence can convey the complete meaning. Yes, a sentence can convey the complete meaning without them also. So let's see here what are the persons in our English. There are 3 persons in our English: first person, second person, and third person. Firstly, we see first person and second person. Your first persons are I and we. Second person is single, only you. And the third person are without them. Just you can say he, she, it, they. Clear? Let's see some example. Yes, these are your personal pronoun with the addition of self or selves. This is the first example. I did it myself. I did it myself. It means it is saying I did it myself. Clear? So the meaning of his sentence is he had done the work himself. Clear? Come to the next. He had himself promised to do it. He had himself promised to do it. So that's why that will be also your emphatic. Come to the next kind. This is your reflexive pronouns, and both of the kinds are same by face or same by form. Yes, these words also will be used here, but their function will be different. So let's see. Reflexive pronoun resembles emphatic pronoun in form, only by face, but it has a definite function. Yes, its function is definite. What? It shows that the subject is himself affected by the verb. Yes, the subject is himself, means who is the doer will be affected by the verb. Clear? See the example. He harmed himself. This is your subject. Clear? This is your reflexive pronoun. And this is your verb. So the affection of harm will be play on he. So that's why this is your reflexive pronoun. And in this sentence, he is afraid of himself. Afraid is your verb and afraid is affected to him. So we will say here your himself is reflexive pronoun. Clear? So your 3 kinds of pronouns are completed here. We will see next kind of the pronoun in your next video. Thank you so much.